Dang, it's your boy DK or Speedy, whichever one y'all want to call me. We're back with another freaking video. Y'all saw today's thumbnail and title. I'm hopping straight into this. Y'all read that thumbnail, y'all read that title.
Bruh.
I said that so wrong. Y'all seen that thumbnail, y'all read the title. Yo, boy, your boy done copped him a full performance downpipe. Catless downpipe, boy. Catless downpipe. And I'm on the way right now. Yo, shout out that man Dan. He finna get your boy right. We finna go put this boy on right now. Gas mileage out the window, but that doesn't matter. We doing this for smiles. Smiles per gallon, not miles per gallon. But y'all, yo, I feel like the journey of this car is now being set, is now being put into motion. It's really now being put into motion. I don't even know how loud the car is finna be. Bro, we're going stage 2 tune after this too. I want y'all to know that. We're going stage 2 tune, downpipe. I'm literally just waiting for my MHD adapter to get here, bro. That's why there's been a lack of videos so far. Well, I don't even say a lack of videos, but that's just why I didn't drop yesterday. That's why I didn't drop yesterday. And I just been waiting. I've been waiting for everything to get here. I was gonna put everything on at the same time, but I was just like, nah, I'm gonna wait so I can make it 2 different videos. So we gotta go put that downpipe on right now. And then after, hopefully, cause hopefully I did actually get the adapter I needed, cause if not, I'm cooked. If not, I'm cooked and I'm gonna have to wait even longer now to get the adapter. I have the tune. I bought all the licenses. I bought all the licenses I needed. Now literally all I need is just the adapter. So I'll see y'all boys when we get to his crib. On YouTube, we here. Yo, we in the lab right now, y'all. Downpipe right here. It's about to get put onto the V. It's about to get put onto the Beamer. Boom, we still gotta take a thumbnail. Definitely gotta let the car cool down, because I've been driving all day from work to home to over here. Definitely gotta let the catalytic converter cool down before we get up in there and we try and take that joint off. But yeah, that's just the plan for right now. It literally, I don't know, it rained. I don't know why it rained every single time I come in this man's crib, bro. Every single time I tried to come in this man's crib, it freaking rained. And I just washed the car yesterday, but it ain't no biggie. It ain't no biggie. I ain't gonna lie. This is about a game. I ain't gonna lie. This is about to get a car like. The car looked nice. Now it's about to sound nice. And I ain't gonna lie. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go ahead and cut the resonators and muffler off. I don't know what's next after this, but I just know I'm gonna just go piece by piece. I'm not gonna rush into nothing. This might have been a little rushed. I ain't gonna lie. This might have been a little bit rushed. Not too rushed. Still, I'm gonna do my oil change this week. Also do my spark plugs and ignition coils. Probably just do my spark plugs. Yeah, probably just do my spark plugs and oil change. And we gonna be good, chat. We gonna be good, y'all boys. We gonna be good. And then Friday, it's most likely gonna be a meet I'm gonna go to. We gonna see what your boy can expect there. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm tired of getting whooped. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired of getting whooped by these little VR30s. That's no more. No more. Infinity K at this point. No sir. But this joint, this the one. I ain't gonna lie. This literally the one. We waiting for Dan to get back right now. It's just raining. Then we gonna start. We gonna let this car cool down for a little bit more, like I said. And then we Gucci, y'all. I will see y'all when he gets back out here. Yeah. Started the progress, or damn, we got 2 minutes left. I'm about to delete some footage. Boom, we started the progress of starting to take off the little stuff we gotta take off first. So boom, we taking off the crossbar. Yeah. Taking off everything so we can actually access the catalytic converter. And I'm not gonna lie, we're probably gonna have to wait a little bit more because the car is still hot. Not even front, the car is definitely still hot. It's gonna be a bitch. I'm talking about it's gonna be a bitch to get off that V-band, because it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hella hot in there. I'm already knowing. Now Now what I need is freaking for that. Take that off. And roll the freak out. Shit be stolen. Boom, bring y'all over here with me. Boom, y'all boy. Yo, you gotta love having friends that just gotta lift in one of they mini garages. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta love it, man. You gotta love having the resources. Boom, ski. Boom, ski. We should need this. Let's come over here. Let's do this. Boom, we only got 1 minute left. So if it ends, I ain't gonna lie, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing y'all clips of me putting this joint on. If y'all want a tutorial, y'all let me know and I'll do one in the future. But so far, let's go ahead and take this off. Take the air box off. Actually, alright. Got my boy Dan in the cut. I gotta delete some footage and then I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Yo, what's going on YouTube? We got this hoe in the air now. Yes, sir. Hold on, let's see where the light, where I put the light at. Uh-oh. Boom, that's our, oh, this is water. This is our Vic right now. This is our victim today, y'all. And I think there's 2 brackets up there. Yeah, 2 brackets right there. I gotta get off too. Dang, them gonna be interesting to get off actually. Boom, nah, we was doing it right though. We was doing it right. Nah, this should be able to stay, yeah. Yeah. These are gonna be interesting to put back in. But nah, I was about to say, besides that though, this joint. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Alright, y'all. We gonna get started doing this. I don't know, I'm gonna probably set up like a time lapse on my phone. And then we gonna go from there. Yo, YouTube, we got the old joint out. Piece of garbage. Straight rust all over the joint. I ain't gonna lie, this joint getting hot. Out with the old though. Well, no, we gotta run the autos on. Gotta run the autos on that vent. Get some gasket seal. But then we gonna put the new one. Put the new bit in. And then we're gonna be good. We're gonna be sturdy. See that, Sean? Yeah, bro. See that, Sean?
Oh, you nasty ass bastard!
You see that, Sean? What you mean I started tripping, bro? Oh yeah, that's that spool performance, man. That's a crazy difference, I ain't gonna lie. When the joints side by side, that's a crazy difference. It's gonna be so much louder. You gonna straight pipe? I want to straight pipe mine, but I feel like it's better if I just go to a valved exhaust. I'm just get off Alibaba. It's gonna take a minute to get here, but it's gonna work.
Why you ain't just gonna get it straight pipe then? I mean, why you gonna get it?
Gas mileage out the way, and then I can make it quiet. I can make it quiet if I want to. I can make it loud.
You talking about the little joints you put in?
Yeah. I think you're not wrong. I think there's something I could get and I could just install them into the like exhaust itself, but I'd have to look it up. We're on the way to autos on though. We'll catch y'all. Boom, YouTube. We finished here. Downpipe is installed. Now we about to start this startup, my boy. Woo! How y'all feel? You guys think it'll be louder?
Yeah, it's gonna be somewhat louder.
Somewhat louder, probably. Yeah. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, I'm so scared.
You're scared. Okay, okay.
Hold on.
Yes, sir.
What's wrong with him? Something wrong with this nigga, bro.
Oh, shit.
Yes, sir.
And that's just a downpipe. You can smell the fumes. Little crackle pop. We gotta go for a test drive. Bet you, so we finna get this joint a nice little test drive now. We finna see what this joint really talking about. See what this downpipe really talking about. I don't really feel it different.
God damn, fool.
I don't think I'm gonna feel a difference. Oh, hold on.
Uh-oh.
Hold on, no, that's straight.
Oh, it's a fast seatbelt. Oh
Hold on, I was capping. Hold on, that's a difference. That's a difference. No. Please. That smells like burning.
Yeah.
Nah, that's a difference. Oh no, that bitch moved.
Up there.
That bitch moved. Damn, I didn't think this through. Nah, this
Shit is wow.
Oh, I think it's that stuff we just put on there.
What, the smell?
Yeah.
The lubricant.
I think, yeah, I did not
Nah,
let it
you
dry.
just turned the
put that
motherfucking
bitch
car
on
on, bro.
We ain't started going.
You gotta let that bitch dry for a little minute.
Yeah, that shit stanky.
It do stink.
Oh my god.
That nigga cheese is like shit ear to ear. You get the finger fucking the gas pedal, bro.
You wanna, what's it called? Do a, not a drive-by. Yeah, probably a drive-by.
Drive by on who?
No, like, I just come drive past. This nigga said drive-by. Drive-by who?
There you go. Hey, who that? That nigga walking weird and
That's why I
motherfucker.
said that nigga pulling up right now.
He can have the camera. Ain't God.
I
don't even got a wallet on me, bro. I ain't got no
bro.
type of cash. You can take
How that bitch sound?
That motherfucker got me lightheaded.
Oh damn, that joint stink. Golly.
Got the whole, you got all the Allentown roads smell like bullshit.
Oh my gosh. Great investment.
Great
I
investment.
just need a tune to match it up to really get the most out of this hoe. I brake boosted. Did y'all hear like the turbo spooling up?
I don't know, man. It sounded the same
It
all
sounded
three
the same?
times. Yeah.
Yo, YouTube, that is gonna be the end of today's video. If y'all did fuck with this video and y'all wanna see more, yo, y'all be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and put Speedy down in the comments below. Cause this hoe, oh my gosh. This just the beginning. Oh, this just the beginning. Ooh. That's just the beginning. They're over there playing basketball in the dark, but you can't see them because they some monkeys. Like I was saying, that is gonna be the end of this video. If you do want to see more, drop it down in the comments. Let me know any ideas and what more y'all want to see with the car, what more ideas y'all want to see. Y'all just gotta let me know, and y'all boy is finna do it. It's my boy Speedy. I'm gonna see you in the next one. I'm gonna catch y'all.